What is up, everybody? Convincing Viper Guy here again, back with another exciting product review. This is where I try different products and let you guys know if I approve them or not. I can be very convincing. Today's product review is going to be on the sweet and sour chicken from a restaurant here in town called Canton Wok. So let's open this up and get you guys a sneak peek at it. Okay, let me get it for you guys here. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see all that. This is one of the things that I get quite a bit at the Chinese place. So let's try it out and see how good it is. There's one of them right here. If it doesn't break. Oh, there we go. See, it's got the sauce and everything on it, which is really good. Their sauce is unbelievably great. So, here we go. The sauce is just complements the chicken really well. It's got a very good flavor. I have to say, this is probably one of the best things that I've ordered from them, and they're definitely worth checking out. So, I would have to give the sweet and sour chicken from Canton Wok a rating of an A. If you guys are ever in town, make sure you guys check it out. Let them know that Convincing Viper Guy sent you. And until next time, guys, God Jeep, dirty it up.